Okay guys, so this here is a 2003 I believe, Nissan Sentra. So what we have going on is he's putting on lowering springs, and I'm gonna show you guys today, if you've never seen it done before, how the proper way of doing lowering springs is. The proper and safe way. Usually what you ideally need is spring compressors, which are these things right here. So you put one, you could use 3, it's better, safer to use more, you know, always more is safer, but it depends on how many you can fit onto the. Okay, so we're gonna start, get our impact, get our socket, make sure it's on. Start going slowly. Okay, and remember guys, do this evenly. Don't be fucking tightening one side and not tightening the other. Fucking dumbasses out there. No birds? Usually there's bare birds, yeah. Where the birds then? Okay, so after you get the spring loose with your, I don't know if you guys can see how the strut can just turn freely? That means your spring is completely loose, and then, and only then, you can proceed to loosen the top nut. Also, when pulling the top nut, beware to keep it out of your face, like keep it away from you, because it still could possibly be on something, so just be safe. But only when you see that your thing is completely moving. Try it.
Actually, we need all of this, right?
Yep. Just like that. With 2 seconds. And just like that, folks, you got some lowering spring. So here, what I did is I didn't tighten the center bolt. I put it up, cut it, just to see, because once you tighten this knot, your top hat won't move. So I had it loose, I went, spun it till it fit, have it lined up, and I'm gonna tighten it up now. So now when you're releasing the spring off the old one, you do the same thing how you tighten it. One side at a time, back and forth, back and forth. I'm gonna show you guys.